Hi, a lot of you have asked me to show you how to make an easy, quick stove that you can use for power outages when you're camping in the RV or pretty much anywhere. Now this one's going to cost about 25 cents. I hope you can swing it, but most of you will probably have the ingredients already in your home. So it's a zero cost stove. Let me show you how it works. First of all, let me look around for something that you probably already have. Even if you're camping, you probably can find a nice junk piece of aluminum foil. So I'm going to take this aluminum foil and make a little recess, a little bump in the middle of it. And I don't have any rocks here, so let me use a couple bricks. And I'm going to take these bricks and go like this. And we're going to put my little recess right here in between the bricks. Now, are you ready for the secret ingredient for the fuel that you probably already have? Hand sanitizer. This stuff here is 70% alcohol. So I'm going to squirt a bunch of this, about 1/5. Now I got this one at the dollar store for $1.25. That means I can have 5 cookouts with it. 25 cents each. Then all I have to do is light it. But what we're going to do is not just light it, we're going to cook a complete meal, a country style chicken pot pie from ReadyWise. This is one of those freeze-dried meals. It requires 1.25 cups of water, which I already pre-measured. Oh, by the way, this is not sponsored, but it should be. Okay, so we take the water, pour it inside here. Now, if I just lit this up and put it on there, the fire would go out. So we need to elevate this. Again, if you're in the woods, get a few more rocks to put it up there. What I'm going to do is use this broken pair of thongs that I have. Tongs? I think they call them tongs.
Tongs.
Because I think the thong has that song. The thong. And then I'm just going to light this. Now the thing about this is lit, but it's invisible. You can't see the flames. You notice that? So I'm going to put this on here. I'm not sure how long it's going to take to boil. So let's go ahead and time it so we have just an idea. So there we go. We got a stove going. Now if you think that's not hot, by the way, let me go ahead and show you. Okay, the water is still cold because I just put it in. So the water's 86 degrees. And that's pretty much room temperature out here. It's probably about 90. But the fire, okay, there's 177, so that's kicking in there. But just to show you that this is hot, it looks like it's off, but look at this. You put that right there for a second, look at that.
It's like invisible fire.
It's an invisible flame, so don't put your hands on it. It gets extremely hot. While we're waiting for this to boil, I just wanted to let you know other things you can use. If you can't find a piece of aluminum foil hanging around the house, you probably have a soda can. You can get one of these outside and just cut it off, and you can use that as your stove. You can use a tin can. You can use even a lid. Find a lid of something, put that down there, and elevate your sides, and you could cook right out of this. So you can make a stove out of pretty much anything. Now if you want to make a 4-burner stove, look at this, a muffin tin. Okay, put your fuel in each corner. You could cook 4 different things, and when you're done, crumple it up and throw it away. So that's the beauty of this, is when I'm done, I have nothing I have to pack and take with me. I could throw it away. So let's go ahead and let this speed up. We're going to go through the time. Once it boils, I'll come back and I will show you how we're going to make this great meal that is not sponsored, but it should be. Okay, we're back, and as you can see, the fire is still going at 332 degrees. The water has started to boil. It's smoking anyway. It's been 14 minutes. Something I needed to mention to you, which we did while you were gone, is when it's windy, it'll probably keep blowing the fire out, so we had to put some little fire breaks so it didn't happen. And the water's just about ready, so for this here, the instructions are to tear the pouch open. Oops, not like that. And it said to take the biscuit out, break it up into size pieces you want. Ooh. So it's a bunch of pieces. So now we're going to take the, that is hot. I probably should have put the gloves on. Oh, yes. So put the water in. So it's like in soupy. And now I'm going to go ahead and close this. Wait, that went out anyway from the wind. And it says to close it and to leave it for 10 to 12 minutes. I'll be back in 10 minutes to see how it came out. All right, it's been 10 minutes, but before we unveil it, I just wanted to let you know that this emergency stove, when it's all done, you have nothing to carry with you. You take your stove and you just toss it in the local trash. Oops, sorry. And that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and open up the meal. Ooh, take a look at that. Can you see in there? It's so very hot. Smells really good. So country style chicken pot pie. And you don't even need dishes. You can use the dishes right here. Oh, that's a biscuit. There's some of the chicken. And I could hear Mom tell me in the background, eat your vegetables. So there's some carrots and green beans. So while you're watching me eat, so this stuff's really, I should be doing it this way, right?
Yeah.
So I can get sponsored. So this stuff is actually really good. So give it a shot. One of the easiest ones to make. Find anything with a recess and just use some of this hand sanitizer. And at the end, you can clean up your hands. Everything's all contained. So with that, share this with your friends. Enjoy your meals this summer. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. You can't have any. You can't have
Give me
any.
some.
No, mine.
He's not gonna give me any, is he?